Hey everyone, in this video we will discuss the right anti-join. So this is a merge join, which is an option available in Power Query. So I've got this, so I'm just sharing this slide with you, and I'm just trying to explain what a right anti-join is. So essentially if you have two tables, so this is the left table, so the customer table is the left table, and the location table is the right table. Now customer table has three attributes: customer ID, customer name, and the ID of the location to which the customer belongs. And the location table has location ID and location name. So a right anti-join means that it gets a value which exists on the table on the right hand side, but doesn't exist on the table on the left hand side. So as a use case, I could say, so let's say there are 10 regions where we sell products. And let's say we only have sales in 9 regions and we don't have sales in the 10th region. So you could use the right anti-join to find which is the table, so which table on the right hand side doesn't have a record in the left table. So that's pretty much what it is. So if you look at, sorry, let's just go back. So here we've got, so you can see I've got location ID 1 exists here, 2 exists here, 3 exists here, 4 exists here. Now 5 exists in the table on the left side. It doesn't exist on the table on the right. So for example, we could be selling an item which doesn't have an entry in the right side, which itself is a problem, but it is not something we are trying to address in this case. Now the location ID 6 exists and 7 doesn't. So in a way, what we are trying to find is, hey, which city or which location name that we have, there is no corresponding customer in this case. So when we do a right outer join, it says, hey, for Delhi, there is no corresponding customer in the customer table. So that's the use case for a right anti-join. So you could have n number of dimensions and you want to see which fields in the dimension tables are not used in the fact table. So that could be a good candidate for a right anti-join. So in this video, we've essentially covered that. So we'll do a quick demo as well. I'll hop out of this one. And I've got this Power BI file. So you can see this, it's got customer and location table. It has the same data set we were discussing. So it's got Tintin asterisk. So it's got location ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And location table has 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 7. Now when we do a right outer join, what we expect is that it should show us Delhi, which means that all these other have a corresponding record in the customer table. It's only Delhi doesn't have. So we'll do that. So now I'm on the home tab and I'll go to the merge queries option. And I'll just use merge queries as new. I won't use the merge queries as on top of the existing table. So I'll use the customer table on the left, and I'll use the location ID field as the join, and then location table on the right, and again location ID as the join. And now I don't want a left outer join. What I want is a right anti-join. And it says the selection excludes 5 of the 6 rows. And I'll hit OK now, and it'll give us a new table. And you can see that it's given me a table. Let's just open this field and hit OK. So to get the values in the location table. So you can see 7 Delhi doesn't have, when we do a right anti-join, there is no data in the customer table for this location ID 7, location name Delhi. So just to recap, in this video, we learned about the right anti-join merge option in Power Query Editor, and what could be a use case for using that. So I hope you find this video useful, and thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel and like my videos if you enjoy what I'm doing. I would be keen to hear back from you if you want me to cover any specific topics. Cheers, bye.